I will contribute in a large fashion. I will do my best.
I got it.
I wouldn't feel right. Whoa. Stand up, peas. Stand up, peas. Thank you, Donko.
Why don't you split one with me?
Oh, I knew you were gonna do
They're
this.
pretty big. Actually, this one is not as big. I'll give you this one.
Yay!
It's big, but it's
I beat
not
the
as
system.
big.
Beat the system.
Pudding's good.
Pudding. Pudding.
You want a whole giant piece? You.
Giants?
Well, you know.
Science.
Giant.
Did you get a berry?
Mhm. Yeah.
She is intent.
We got 2 lemons.
Oh, thanks.
Oh boy.
Now we're in. We're in now. Slow down, not a race.
For you.
Nobody's going to take that away from you.
She
Sit,
wants to get
Daddy.
piece number 2 before it's all gone.
I like the 360-degree coverage thing she's going for there with the rotation. I'll make sure no side of this is better than the other
Just do
side.
math.
That's how smart the baby is.
Nom 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 nom.
They probably did on Sesame Street. Cookie Monster
And
probably.
Cookie Monster's probably like, ooh, eat cookie from both sides. Mm.
No, he just eats the cookie whole.
I have extra lemon glaze too, if anybody wants a little
Ooh.
extra drizzle.
Ooh.
Extra drizzle.
Put some on my coffee cup and give it to me.
I want some lemon drizzle.
Lemon glaze.
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
Good?
Cat left us a gift right in front of the refrigerator.
Yes, did you not hear it?
Next to the Corona beer.
Was it moving?
Oh, I thought you meant.
That kind of gift?
Do you want some?
You wanted it in a glass.
Would you like
didn't
some more drizzle?
I'm good. I'm drizzled.
No,
I
I'm
will.
drizzled. Your mom wants,
I
she
know.
loves the drizzle.
Just a little. Is that good?
That's good. Thank you.
Sour.
You want some, Brian?
I like it.
Thought you meant pudding.
No, but there is actually some more pudding. If you want that too.
Ow. Oh, there's your berry. Do you want to taste? I'll eat some.
What kind of creature did the kitty bring?
Berry.
They puked.
Oh.
You're not going to try it?
I thought it was,
No. You want some?
Here, I have captured you a rodent or a small
No.
bird. Okay.
Yeah, we don't tend to get those.
No, they don't really kill things.
Except that they just play with them.
Yeah.
My cat would always bring in what appeared to be dead birds,
Yeah.
but upon depositing them on the floor, and perhaps 20 or 30 minutes passing, they would resurrect themselves and begin thrashing themselves against the windows of the house until
Cream.
it was kind of like, really, I'd rather you just. Meow. What do you think there? What do you think? Meow.
They think meow.
Meow. Meow.
Was it you that did the crime?
Did you do the crime?
She's being nice to you.
Well, I am friend to all cats. Meow.
Nope.
That's what I was gonna say.
All cats are Tutu or Kitty. The other names are somehow too hard for her to speak.
You just doesn't throw them off now.
Understudy is probably the one that's hardest to say.
Too many syllables.
She just calls everybody Tutu.
Should start calling understudy one of two. Maybe you want to watch some Star Trek tonight?
Is Elmo gonna be on?
You never know.
More? More what? What? Oh. I don't know. I don't know.
Eat your cake.
Oh.
There's a lot in there.
Next,
No, she's too.
Huh? Oh, she did. Oh.
try to get a little more in your pie hole.
It's
Daddy
cake.
live streaming the
It's a cake hole.
Cake
All right,
bed.
cake hole.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to putting you to bed later.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That'll be a
Trying
cranky.
to give you a bath. Have to use the hose?
Yeah. A little cool for the hose, I think. What are you doing?
Some of the berries
What are
and
you doing?
You can have some. You want some more?
You want to try that? She doesn't want to try the berries.
Give me your plate.
the pudding is good. I love it.
It's good bread.
You want another one?
Yeah.
I don't want to glaze the
Dora.
It's good. Pudding, potatoes.
lemon glaze on the potatoes.
No. I'm gonna need the wipes. Get them ready. Yep. Just give them, send the whole thing out. The bib's off.
Up.
Nope.
That's all right.
Is that like 3
He's just
pounds of
gonna
wipes? Nice.
These lemons.
We get a monthly delivery.
You got
of
him.
a big box
You got
on
pudding
wherever
in your
the Amazon
eyebrow.
subscription. It's just
You
easy
got
enough
pudding
to
in your eyebrow. You so used.
just use them for everything.
Government magic.
Face, butt, hands, whatever.
4.
Yeah. Oh, these are so cute. There's one more set of sugar and a creamer, but it's not. It's more. I think it matches more these. It's more like this style. It doesn't have the ivy stuff on it, but it's like taller and slimmer.
It's not shaped like that. It's not shaped like a.
Yeah, it's more modern.
Don't look like she ever used them.
I don't know. I mean, she didn't. I don't know how she acquired them.
Applied them? What do you mean?
I don't know
Oh,
how she
acquired them.
acquired
Oh,
them because it's obviously not an exact.